post videos on YouTube, but I really need help. I cannot seem to start my car. I had some kind of issue with it last week where the battery died in here, could not unlock this car. So I used the key to unlock it here, and the alarm would not stop going off because it seemed like the key lost program to the car. I unplugged it from the battery, left it off for 10 minutes, put it back on, the alarm still went on, but the key finally worked. So I was able to leave. Now, basically, this time it did unlock my car and the key seems to be connected, and I was able to turn it on twice, but it just instantly stalled after those 2 times, and then after the 2 times of stalling, it would not turn back on at all. Instead, it would make this thumping sound. I tried to start it, and now it even does it when it's just on the on position. If someone has any advice on what this could be, I would so appreciate it.